Hi, welcome to Step 2 Maths. In previous sections, we already discussed about quadratic equation, its standard form, and one method to find the roots of a quadratic equation. In that method, we substitute the value to the variable and find whether the given value is the solution of that quadratic equation or not. But substituting that value and finding its solution is time consuming process. So today we are going to learn about another method, that is factorization method. What is factorization? That's we already learned. Find the factors of a given polynomial. And in case of quadratic equation, factorization method means find the factors of that quadratic equation and equate that factors to 0. I will show an example. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. How to factorize it? X plus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 0. If we factorize this polynomial x square plus x minus 20, its factors are x plus 5 and x minus 4. And the given quadratic equation is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. That means x plus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 0. When we factorize the given quadratic equation, we get two linear equations, and that linear equations are equal to 0. Then according to principle of zero products, the product of two numbers are 0 means at least one number is 0. In case of polynomials, x plus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0 means either one of the polynomial is 0 or both the polynomial can be 0. That means x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. Otherwise, x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. We take the assumption and x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. That means the x plus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 5, and here x is equal to minus 5 and x minus 4 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 4. The value of x is equal to minus 5 and 4. That we get the roots of this given quadratic equation. We factorize the given quadratic equation and according to zero principle of product equate each factor to 0 and find the solution of the quadratic equation. This is the method of finding the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. Factorize and equate the factors to 0 and find the value. Now we will go through some examples. Consider this question: x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. How to factorize it? Find two numbers whose product is 54 and sum is minus 15. X minus 9 and x minus 6. we factorize the given polynomial as x minus 9 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then x minus 9 equal to 0 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 9 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 9 and x minus 6 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 6. That is, the solution of this quadratic equation is x is equal to 9 and 6. The solution or root of the quadratic equation x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0 is 9 and 6. Consider this quadratic equation. 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. What are factors? How to factorize it? 2y square plus, there is no common factor or we can't apply any identities directly. So split the term. 27y we can write it as 26y plus y. This 27y is split into 26y plus y plus 13 equal to 0. Then take these two terms, 2y square plus 26y. We can take common 2y, then y plus 13 plus, take these two terms, y plus 13 equal to 0. 2y into y plus 13 plus y plus 13. Then take y plus 13 as common, y plus 13 into 2y plus 1 equal to 0. That is, y plus 13 is equal to 0 and 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Y plus 13 is equal to 0 implies the value of y is equal to minus 13. 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 means y equal to minus 1 by 2. For the solution of the given quadratic equation, 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is y equal to minus 13 and minus 1 by minus 13 and minus 1 by 2. Consider one more example. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. To find the roots of this quadratic equation, what is the first step? Factorize it or find the factors. How to find the factors? Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. That this split the term 7x. Root 2x square plus, we can split the term 7x as 2x plus 5x. 2x plus 5x is 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Then take these two terms, root 2x square plus 2x. We can take root 2x as common. Then what is the remaining? Root 2x. Root 2x into x plus 2x. From 2x we take root 2x. Then the remaining part is root 2. That is 2 means root 2 into root 2. Plus, consider these two terms, 5x plus 5 root 2. Here 5 is common. So, we can write it as 5 into x plus root 2 equal to 0. Root 2x into x plus root 2 plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. One term, this is the next term. Here x plus root 2 is taken as common, then the remaining is root 2x plus 5. X plus root 2 we take outside, that is equal to 0. That means x plus root 2 is equal to 0 and root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. X plus root 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus root 2. Then take the second time, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. That means the solution of the given quadratic equation root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0 is x is equal to minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. If we use the factorization method to find the solution of a quadratic equation, we just factorize the given quadratic equation in the form of a linear equation and equate each factor to 0 and find the value of the variable or find the roots. This is the factorization method for solving a quadratic equation. Thank you.